Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix EA Sports College Football 27 game connection error, network error or any kind of server error. Then here follow the fixes mentioned in this video very carefully. And the first thing that you must do is to check for the EA Sports College Football 27 game server status. You can go to this EA website, link is provided in my video description, and once you're on this EA website scroll down and look for eSports College Football 27. Here it is, and it is showing online. But in case if it is offline, under maintenance or having any kind of outages, then you can't do anything. You have to just wait for the server status to get back online and then you can check back later. Now if their server status is online and if still you are getting the connection error, network error or any kind of server error, then here follow the fixes. First fix is to restart Steam, restart EA app or restart your PC. So click on this word Steam and then click on exit. This will exit the Steam, then relaunch Steam and then launch the game and check. Now if you have the game on EA app, then close the EA app and then open the EA app and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then simply restart your PC. And once your PC restart, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 2, power cycle your internet. So turn off your Wi-Fi router or modem, wait for 1 to 2 minutes and then restart your Wi-Fi router or modem, reconnect it and then launch the game and check. Fix 3, try to launch the game multiple times. If you get the connection error or server error or network error, so when you try to launch the game and if you get the error, then close it and then again launch the game and check. So you can try to launch the game multiple times and check. Fix 4, switch internet connection. Now if you're connected to Wi-Fi, then you can connect to mobile data via hotspot and then check. If possible, then you can also try to connect to internet via Ethernet cable and then check. Fix 5 is to reset internet connection. So in Windows search type CMD and open the command prompt as an administrator. So click on run as administrator, click yes to allow. Now in the command prompt, you have to type this code one by one. So copy the first code, paste it over here and then hit enter. I have provided this code in my video description. So you can easily copy from there and paste it over here and then hit enter. Copy the third code, paste it over here, hit enter. Copy the fourth code, paste it over here, then hit enter. And copy the last code, paste it over here and then hit enter. Now you must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. So close the command prompt and then just restart your PC. And after your PC restart, then you can go ahead and launch the game and check. Fix 6, Windows security users allow the game exe file to control folder access and firewall. So in Windows search type Windows security and open the Windows security. Now click on virus and threat protection. Scroll down, click on manage ransomware protection. Click on allow an app through control folder access, click yes to allow. Click on add an allowed app, browse all apps and then browse to the game installation folder. So browse to C drive, program files x86 folder, Steam folder, Steam apps folder, common folder. Open the college football 27 game folder. Select this college football 27 exe file and then click on open. Again click on add an allowed app, browse all apps. Select this EA-anti-cheat.game service launcher exe file, click open. Again click on add an allowed app, browse all apps. Select this EA-anti-cheat.installer exe file, click open. Then go back, click on firewall and network protection. Click on allow an app through firewall. Click on change settings, click on allow another app, click on browse and then browse to the game installation folder. So open C drive, program files x86 folder, Steam apps folder, common folder. Open college football 27 game folder. Select this college FB27 exe file, click open, click on add. In my case, it is already added. Again, click on browse. Select this EA-anti-cheat exe file, click on open and then click on add. In my case, it is already added. Again, click on browse. Select this EA-anti-cheat.installer exe file, click open and then click on add. In my case, it is already added. So all the three files is already added. Here you can see. And after adding it, make sure both private and public is ticked mark and then click on OK to save changes. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Now, if you're using any third-party antivirus software such as Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, AVG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, EST, Webroot, then you have to allow the game exe files to your antivirus program as well. And then you can launch the game and check. Or you can also disable your antivirus program and then check. Later, you can enable your antivirus program. Fix 7 is to verify the game file. So open Steam, go to library, right click on the game and then click on properties. Go to the install files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the 100% verification of the file has been done, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Now, if you have the game on EA app, then open the EA app, select college football 27 game and then repair the files. And after repairing the files, you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 8 is to change DNS server. So in Windows search, type control panel and open the control panel. Now under the network and internet, click on view network status and task. Then select your connected Wi-Fi or network. Then click on properties. Then select the internet protocol version 4 and then click on properties. Select this option, use the following DNS server addresses, and in preferred DNS server type 8.8.8.8 and in alternate DNS server type 8.8.4.4 and then click on OK. Close it and then launch the game and check. Fix 9 is to run the game as an administrator. So open Steam, go to library, right click on the game, select manage and then click on browse local files. Here you will find the college FB27exe file. Then right click on it and then select run as administrator and see if that helps or not. Fix 10 is to try VPN. So you can connect to VPN such as Proton VPN, NordVPN, Kaspersky VPN, Cloudflare VPN or any other VPN and then launch the game and check. Now if you're already connected to VPN, then disconnect it and then check. Next solution is to update Windows. So go to Windows settings, on the left click on Windows Update and then click on check for updates. And if there are any updates available, then download and install them and then just restart your PC. Don't forget to restart your PC, and after a PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Now if none of the solution work for you, then the last solution is to uninstall and reinstall EA Sports College Football 27 game. So simply uninstall the game and then fresh reinstall it and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. So I hope by following these fixes you can easily solve network error, connection error or any kind of server error in EA Sports College Football 27 game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.